It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here. Today we are rewriting expressions in exponential form. So you're going to see that we have the nth root of a to the power of m. So when we rewrite this as an exponent, the base of our exponent, which is a, stays the base. A is raised to the power of m. That m becomes the numerator of our fractional exponent, and the number or the letter, variable in this case, that is in the check mark spot of our root bar becomes the denominator of our fraction. This is how this works every single time. Let's try another problem. So this is the fifth root of 81. So remember, math folks, we've talked about this a lot. We are a lazy bunch in terms of writing things we deem unnecessary. Any number is raised to the power of 1. So in this case, we could rewrite this as the fifth root of 81 to the power of 1. Now, why is that important? Well, our base is 81. The numerator of our fraction is that 1 right there. And the denominator is what's in the checkbox of our root bar, which is 5. So this becomes 81 to the 1/5 power. All right, we have 29. So we just talked about how 29 is technically raised to the power of 1. And if I said just 29, I meant it's the square root of 29. Now, this is another exception because this is the most common type of radical in math. And because it's the most common type, we were a little lazy again. There is technically a 2 in this root bar. We don't write it because this is used so frequently, that'd be a lot of extra writing. So when we convert this to a fractional exponent or a fractional indice, if you study in the British system, this becomes 29, which is our base to the power of 1 divided by 2. All right, last one. We have the fourth root of h to the power of 3. Our base is h. That 3 goes in the numerator like we've done every other time. And that root of 4, the fourth root, becomes the denominator of our fractional exponent. Thanks for rewriting these expressions with me. Make sure to subscribe for more math videos. Till next time, remember, you've got this.